Huawei Mate 10 Lite, $349.99 at Amazon.com, a solid option in the middle of those other two phones. It officially retails in Australia as the Nova 2i for $499, which converts to $380 and £280. But if you're looking to import, which you'll have to, since it doesn't have an official US or UK release, sites are offering it for around $350, which is more like $270 and £200. At that price, the Mate 10 Lite is a steal. It has 4 cameras, 2 on the front and 2 on the back, though they are more show than go. That's okay though, because the Mate Lite also has a vibrant 2160 x 1080 pixel display, premium touches and more than enough power to browse the web and watch videos smoothly. The Huawei Mate 10 Lite's price is just right, doubling down on dual cameras. Dual cameras have become the in thing for phones over the past year. With the Mate Lite, Huawei doubles down on dual cameras by doubling up. The phone has dual shooters not only on its back, 16 plus 2 megapixels, but on its front too, 12 plus 2 megapixels. This is all good and fun, but quantity only counts as long as there's quality too. Google's Pixel 2, $789.99 at Amazon Marketplace, with its one real lens, proved that. And since the biggest gap between mid-range phones and premium ones is often camera quality, you shouldn't expect the world of the Mate Lite's cameras. They are competent and can shoot some decent photos in good light conditions, but they are not particularly noteworthy in any way. Despite their number, they struggle in both high and low light, the former often leading to overexposure, and some of my low light photos came out a little grainy. Plus, many pictures I shot looked artificially over-sharpened too.